Tuned in my mind, can't seem to break away. Lost in
What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review. Today we are checking out the Hotwav R9 Plus, a rugged tablet that doesn't just survive the wild, it owns it. With a massive battery, outdoor ready lighting, and serious specs, this thing means business. Whether you are camping, working, or just rough on your gear, this tablet has got your back. Well, before we start the video, one request: if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Oh yeah, if you really wanna support honest content, then please subscribe to the channel membership.
Tell me why you left me bleeding. Die for you. I tried for you. Tell me why you left me bleeding. Lullaby, so used to.
Let's start with the build, because durability is the first thing that counts. The Hotwav R9 Plus holds IP69, IP68 and military standard 810H certifications. Water, dust, drops, all handled with confidence.
Let me die alone inside.
Reinforced corners and the rigid build frame provide real-world protection. A flexible aluminum stand supports stability, while the leather hand strap improves grip and mobility. This is gear made to be used hard and keep going, not sit on a shelf. Adding to its practical design is a built-in lighting solution. A 350 lumen camping light is integrated right into the body. Not just a flashlight add-on, a full bright utility light. Essential for outdoor use, low light work, or emergencies. It's one of those features that proves its worth the moment it's needed. Personally, I use this feature a lot. This camping light. Whenever me and Tia, my girlfriend, we go out for camping or maybe even enjoying an outdoor movie, we use this feature. It's really a great add-on. Well, here I'm talking about the display panel second to the camping light, but the display panel is really an amazing one. It's one of the best in its class.
In my mind, can't seem.
A strong build needs a strong display to match. The 11-inch 2K class panel runs at 1200 by 1920 resolution with a 60Hz refresh rate. Text appears crisp, visuals stay clear, and brightness holds up under harsh lighting. Whether it's streaming, reading, or reviewing content on site, the screen delivers reliable clarity. It's not only built for entertainment, it's built for demanding environments. It's sharp without being delicate. Moreover, Hotwav R9 Plus comes with Widevine L1 certification, which allows HD playback from streaming services, a nice bonus for downtime or long shifts on the road. Okay, let's check what's under the hood. Let's talk about performance. Performance is where R9 Plus quietly over-delivers. A 2.2 GHz octa-core processor paired with 24 GB of RAM, 8 GB physical and 16 GB virtual, keeps the system fast and steady. Storage is just as generous, 512 GB internal with support for 2 TB microSD expansion. Gaming runs smoothly on mid to high settings for most titles, with minimal frame drops and no thermal issues. Whether it's work or play, this setup holds up. Well, all that power needs backup. Let's talk about battery performance. The Hotwav R9 Plus comes with a 20,080 mAh battery. Huh? 2000 or 20,000? Well, it comes with 20,080 mAh battery, which means we can use this Hotwav R9 Plus for a quite number of days on a single charge. This one can also be used as a power bank because this one supports reverse charging. Well, it's built to outlast most devices in the field, and with the Hotwav R9 Plus, we actually don't have to carry a power bank. Well, when it comes to connectivity and navigation, Hotwav R9 Plus comes with all the essentials and even offers some extras. Dual 4G SIM support, dual band Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth 5.1 ensure stable links to networks and accessories. Navigation system includes GPS, Peito, Galileo, and GLONASS. Camera performance is above average for a rugged device. A 64 megapixel rear camera and 16 megapixel front camera capture clear, detailed images with accurate color.
Tuned in my mind, can't seem to break away.
Electronic image stabilization keeps a video steady, and both sensors perform well for video calls and casual photography. This isn't just filler hardware, it's a capable setup that adds real value to the device.
I died for you, I cried for you, I tried for you. Tell me why.
Hotwav always do this very well. They keep navigation and access very simple and efficient. I'm talking about UI and OS. Yeah, Hotwav R9 Plus runs smoothly on Android 14. There is no unnecessary clutter. When it comes to multitasking, well, switching apps is very smooth and background processes works without hesitation. 2D Face Unlock provides fast, secure access. Setup is quick and reliability stays high. It's built to support fast work, not slow it down. To wrap it up, Hotwav R9 Plus checks all the right boxes. Big battery, big storage, serious durability, and no wasted space on features that don't matter. There will be a launch sale for this product with very good prices. Please check out the description. I've left all the links in the description box. Go ahead, check this Hotwav R9 Plus and go grab yourself a Hotwav R9 Plus because I'm totally satisfied with the performance. I usually don't talk like this, but this time it's different. If you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.